Back out here at the co-op. Back to Bose. Got up in this ladder stand. Got Steve's over there across the field. Haven't seen anything yet. It's just now getting, I reckon, to see decent. Got the binoculars in case I need to look across the field. Short video, just checking in. Sitting here, Riverside 611. Alright, later.